Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is April 16th, 2025, and here are our top stories. OpenAI Social, AI Art Ownership, DIY Robot, Meta AI Training. OpenAI Social. OpenAI is diving into the social networking realm, according to insights from The Verge. The company's head, Sam Altman, has already given a sneak peek of a prototype to a select group of insiders, seeking their feedback. Central to this development is the image generation feature of OpenAI's ChatGPT model. Although the project's name remains a mystery, the company has yet to make an official announcement. Economically, this venture could enable OpenAI's AI models to benefit from users contributing fresh and relevant content without charge, a strategy already being explored by Elon Musk with xAI and the language model Grok. AI Art Ownership. Legal challenges arise with AI-generated images, videos, and audio recordings. Attorney Jörg Heydrich highlights these issues, noting that images potentially deemed deepfakes will need to be labeled as AI creations starting in August 2026. Unlike traditional artists, users of AI tools act more like patrons providing broad directives, rather than as the creators themselves. Legal experts largely agree that an image created entirely by AI lacks an author, as the law requires a human creator. Without the necessary human element, these works do not meet the legal criteria for authorship. DIY Robot. Meet Axon, a semi-humanoid robot crafted by two young visionaries, Marcin Płomiński and a collaborator known as Minko Zhao. This innovative creation, born from a school project, features an AI powered by a large language model. Despite their lack of KID skills at 16 and 17, the duo has developed Axon into a functional prototype. Axon sports a humanoid upper body, complete with a head and arms equipped with human-like hands. The inner frame is a mix of aluminum and metal parts. While some components are still handmade, future plans aim to replace them with 3D printed parts. Axon rolls smoothly on concealed wheels, powered by model-making lithium polymer batteries. Its movements are controlled by microcontrollers and a Raspberry Pi. The robot reacts to voice commands and visual inputs, thanks to a camera and display. Connecting to a powerful remote server, Axon can answer questions and perform tasks. Płomiński and Minko now seek the maker community's support to simplify the build process. The project requires advanced KID and 3D printing knowledge and is open for collaboration on GitHub, with all resources shared under a Creative Commons license. The estimated build costs hover around $1,300. Meta AI Training. Meta has restarted training its AI models using data from European Union users, following a pause to address regulatory concerns. The European Data Protection Board has greenlit this initiative, allowing Meta to leverage public content like posts, comments, and AI interactions from adults across Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp to enhance its generative AI offerings in the region. Crucially, users have the option to opt out, and they will receive detailed notifications explaining the data usage. Meta reassures that private messages and data from minors are excluded from this process. This development coincides with the EU's impending Digital Markets Act fines against Meta and Apple. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.